18 holes. Mwah.
That's nice. You have some fun. But don't worry about me, I'll be fine.
Oh, honey, you look great.
I just want to sit down.
Golfing, yes.
Honey?
Yeah?
You promised you'd vacuum.
Oh, yeah. The carpets. No problem, hon. No problem. Yeah. Do-do-do.
Hon, don't forget to do the stairs.
No problem, hon. No problem.
Not with that one. With the canister in the hall closet upstairs.
No problem. Well, just gotta finish up. Oh, no. That's all right. I'll just pick it right up here. Hon, it's not picking up.
Check the bag.
Okay. Hon, I gotta go to the store and get some bags.
Oh, I hope you're not late for your golf game.
No problem. Hon, you wouldn't believe how many different bags there are. One of these should fit.
Thank you. I appreciate it so much. You're so helpful.
No problem. No problem.
Amusing? Well, sure, if it's happening to someone else. Trouble is, sooner or later, almost every one of us has to put up with the aggravation and inconvenience of cumbersome, outdated vacuum cleaners. And that's when we stop laughing. Isn't there a better way? We think so. It's the Amway ClearTrak Carpet Maintenance System, a powerful cleaning machine that solves the problem of suction loss that results when dirt builds up inside the bag and blocks the airflow. The proof is in the lab. Using test methods established by the American Society for Testing and Materials, Amway R&D scientists measured the suction fall-off in typical domestic vacuum cleaners and found that suction losses increased significantly as the bags filled. By comparison, when subjected to the same tests, the ClearTrak showed virtually no loss in lifting power, even when the collection chamber was filled to capacity. The ClearTrak CMS provides a second bonus as well. Besides delivering more consistent lift power, it also does away with one of the most annoying characteristics of your present vacuum, the fact that you simply can't see whether or not it's time to change the bag. Take your best guess, because all you ever know for sure is that when it is time, it will be the wrong time. We've eliminated the guesswork with a spacious, transparent dirt bin, so you can tell at a glance whether to continue cleaning or take a couple of seconds to detach the dirt bin, empty it, and then finish the job. Forget the mess and bother of removing dirty bags and trying to find the proper replacement. In fact, forget the bags altogether. Now there's a better way. But improved efficiency and added convenience wouldn't mean a lot if you couldn't depend on performance over the long haul. Reliability and long life have been engineered into the ClearTrak. Its 8-amp, 3-peak horsepower motor, for example, is one of the most powerful in the industry. And instead of an off-the-shelf motor shaft, Amway engineers specified a custom design shaft that incorporates a special retainer nub to prevent belt slippage and deliver power more efficiently to the brush roller. So far, so good. We have state-of-the-art technology, a transparent removable dirt bin, and engineering excellence to ensure dependability. These features alone place the ClearTrak carpet cleaner in a class by itself. But we wanted more. We wanted a complete carpet maintenance system, and we have it. There's absolutely no sensible reason, after all, to buy and store a different machine for every cleaning application. Life is too short for unnecessary aggravation. Most of the time, you'll use your new ClearTrak as a conventional upright carpet cleaner, while appreciating its unconventional ability to collect even deeply embedded dirt. But when the situation demands a different solution, it's yours instantly, without even turning off the power. A diverter switch provides the versatility of an on-the-spot canister cleaner, complete with flexible onboard extension hose and crevice tool. What you need, when you need it, is what you have. No added effort, no wasted time. Naturally, the ClearTrak comes with a full complement of extension wands and accessory tools, so you can clean draperies and carpeted stairs, as well as non-carpeted floor surfaces, even dust in hard-to-reach areas with ease. It's a high-tech upright. It's also a versatile canister cleaner. And in just a minute, we'll find the ClearTrak taking on yet another major carpet maintenance assignment. First, though, a quick top-to-bottom look at the convenience and performance features designed into Amway's ClearTrak carpet maintenance system. A 3-position handle that lies nearly flat for greater flexibility. A power cord that's one of the longest in the industry, so you don't have to plug and unplug your way across the room. And a unique cam lock to keep the cord out of the way while vacuuming. A hose that remains neatly on board when not in use, but it's always available when needed. A built-in recessed carrying handle for moving the unit up and down stairs. Viewing windows that enable you to make sure the unit is operating at full efficiency. A transparent dirt bin with removable dirt trap. An exclusive diverter switch to change from upright to canister operation, even with the motor running. Foam and sub-micron exit filters to provide microscopic cleaning of the outgoing airstream. An on-off switch, foot activated for ease of use. A manual carpet height adjustment switch to ensure precise brush control. ClearTrak. It's everything you never expected to find in a single vacuum cleaner. And it's one thing more. Thanks to its dual personality, the ClearTrak is also a dry powder carpet cleaner. Now you can keep heavy traffic areas looking like new and even deal with other problem stains without the bother and expense of wet process carpet cleaning. Simply sprinkle Amway's Easy Magic dry powder cleaner on the soiled area. Switch the diverter to the accessory position to stop upright suction, and use your ClearTrak in its above floor mode to let the brushes work the powder into the carpet. The tiny Easy Magic pellets act as miniature sponges, breaking up and absorbing even grease and oil-based stains. Then, in 15 or 20 minutes, switch the ClearTrak back to carpet mode and simply vacuum up the Easy Magic and the dirt. There's no risk of water damage to furniture and no waiting all day for the carpet to dry. Now your carpet is clean, really clean. To keep it that way and to prevent static buildup, complete your carpet maintenance system with Medley Carpet Freshener. Economical and easy to use, specially formulated Medley resists and reduces resoiling, cuts static electricity, and freshens your carpet with a light, long-lasting fragrance. The ClearTrak CMS, more than just another vacuum cleaner. It's a comprehensive carpet maintenance system. Upright, canister, hard surface, and carpet upholstery cleaner. Perhaps most important of all, you can depend on ClearTrak. It's backed by a 2-year warranty on motor and fan housing, and by Amway's famous satisfaction guarantee. We know what the ClearTrak CMS can do. We've tested it, worked out the bugs, improved it, tested it again. But for its ultimate test, we couldn't rely merely on technicians and engineers. So we asked a number of non-scientists, people a lot like you, to put our carpet maintenance system to work in their own homes. Then we invited some of our test panelists to share their reactions with us here at Amway's World Headquarters. Specifically, we asked them to tell us how the ClearTrak CMS performed in terms of cleaning power, convenience, reliability, and as a total carpet maintenance system. Here's what we heard.
What I like specifically about the ClearTrak vacuum cleaner over the other brands of vacuum cleaners that I've used is the power that it has, the cleaning ability, and you can actually see results after you're done vacuuming.
The machine's wonderful as far as picking up the dirt in your carpet. It just does amazing. I had cleaned my carpet the day before I got it and cleaned it again once I got the machine, and it was like I hadn't done it in months, all the dirt that came out of it.
The ClearTrak CMS is different from any other vacuum cleaner that I have ever used. I had a normal upright vacuum cleaner and I cleaned my rugs from time to time, and then I tried the ClearTrak. The first time I went over my rugs and I saw all this stuff swirling around in the dirt bin, I was truly amazed. Especially dog hair. I have 2 dogs and I could not believe the dog hair. In addition, there was all kinds of grit and sand that must have been embedded deep in my carpet. And when I saw that in that dirt bin, I felt so horrible that it was in there in the first place, but so good that I had managed to suck that all up.
The first time we turned it on, I almost grinned, you know. You can tell the difference. It makes a big difference.
It's really amazing what you can see in that canister when you get done vacuuming. It's almost scary.
I feel like my house is dust-free after using the ClearTrak because the power of it gets everything up. I mean, you can keep vacuuming and you can see the dirt actually going into the dustbin. And when you don't see any more dirt, you know your floor is clean.
I use the ClearTrak to clean other people's houses. I take it 3 or 4 times a week with me. I just pick it up by the handle and put it in the car. I have a sheep farmer that I clean for, and she was too amazed on what I did to her house. She was like, she asked me what it was I did different, and all it was the vacuum cleaner. She was amazed.
The thing that kind of stood out in my mind in comparison with other vacuum cleaners that I've used, including the Rainbow and the Kirby and the Hoover that we used to have, and all of the Hoover was an upright, was the amount of suction power that we saw from the ClearTrak vacuum cleaner.
I picked up a lot more dirt that I had missed with the other vacuum cleaner.
I really like the clear see-through dustbin on the ClearTrak. First of all, I get this very good feeling when I see all the dust going into there. Then I know I'm doing a good job, and I have a sense of satisfaction for the effort I've put in. Also, it's easier than taking out a vacuum cleaner bag and having to put in a new bag. There's no bag that you have to add. You just empty that. It's easy to do, and I empty it when it's full, whereas a bag I don't notice when it's full, and I think it often got too full and didn't do such a good job, but this does a great job.
With the ClearTrak CMS, it's very easy to empty the dustbin, whereas with my past vacuum cleaners, you always had to mess with getting the bag unhooked and the dust and the mess. With the ClearTrak CMS, you just unhook the dustbin and you dump it, and it hooks right back up. Easy 1, 2, 3.
It's very inconvenient, and it's happened to me many times where I've been vacuuming with the old vacuum cleaner. I've ran out of bags. I forgot to get them. Well, I'm in the middle of vacuuming, and all of a sudden I have to change the bag. and I don't have any bags available. So there I am, I stop what I do, go to the store, hopefully to be able to find a vacuum cleaner bag. With a ClearTrak, I mean, you can see when it's full. I mean, it's very obvious. You take it out, you empty it, you put it back in, and you're on your way again.
Oh, with the ClearTrak CMS, you just turn the knob in the back, twist the canister, pull it off, dump it, and snap it back on. You don't have to mess with the bags and all the dust they leave behind and dirty hands. It's got a handle on it. You just dump the dirt out and put it back on the machine.
The time that it takes to empty the dustbin compared to emptying a bag you can't even compare it. All you have to do is take it, dump it out, and put it back on. I mean, it's not any hassle.
For a variety of uses and applications, the ClearTrak for us was the most flexible piece of equipment that we've seen.
You can use the CMS ClearTrak as an upright or as a canister. It just takes the flip of a switch to make it into the canister, and you can use it for anything on the stairs, the windowsills. It's just a matter of turning it over and it turns into a whole nother machine.
The ClearTrak switches very easily from vacuuming floors to vacuuming with attachments on upholstery and baseboards and in corners of walls. The cord, the hose is always attached, which is great because I don't have to go to the closet and get it. I have to just take the hose into my hand, and if I want to put on a little crevice tool or a brush, I put that on the end, and then I have to turn a knob to switch it from the floor mode to the attachment mode. It's very easy to do.
On the ClearTrak CMS, the way the cord is put is very convenient also. It has a lock release for it, so it's very easy to, all you have to do is just turn the little release there and the cord falls off, and it's very easy to wrap it right around when you're finished.
There isn't any odor at all. You know, you can open up your closet or whatever where you keep your vacuum cleaner, and all you can smell is the old dirt and the bag sitting in there. And with the ClearTrak, you don't have that. I can put it in my clothes closet and I wouldn't smell the dirt.
I use it on my upholstery. My dogs often brush along the sofa and leave a lot of black hair. So then I use the attachment with a little brush, and it takes that black hair right off there. Those are very sticky, clingy hairs, and I'm glad when I can get it away. Also, I use the wand quite often to go along the edge of the carpet, way up against the wall and along the baseboards and the registers, and it cleans very effectively there too.
It's so adaptable. Here you have just the one machine that can do everything just by changing an attachment.
We've used our ClearTrak vacuum cleaner for over 6 months now, and we are very confident with the reliability of this piece of equipment. We've had no problems, mechanical, loss of suction, and even routine maintenance on the thing has not been any concern to us. The machine has performed above our expectations.
I would say you could definitely count on the ClearTrak CMS as being one of the best vacuum cleaners out on the market today.
It's a very heavy-duty machine. I'm very careful with the things that I use, but I imagine anyone that was a little reckless that rams into doors and everything with it. I mean, you're not going to crack it. It is very, very strongly built.
I feel it's full quality, just like any other Amway product, that it is built to last. It's a heavy-duty machine. You can tell just by handling it that it's no cheap plastic thing. It's a real good machine.
I consider it to be the Rolls-Royce of vacuum cleaners, and you can see the difference. I'd be happy to show anybody and compare it to any vacuum cleaner. It's better than I could have ever imagined.
I have a credit union that I clean. I use the ClearTrak and the Medley. on the floors. The lady called me the next day and asked me what I had done. It smelled wonderful, it looked wonderful. She was very impressed with the product, as I was.
I have become very attached to this ClearTrak, and I feel it's indispensable to my cleaning. I can't imagine ever wanting to trade it for any other type of machine, no matter how fancy or how expensive it might be.
When I agreed to test the ClearTrak CMS, it was mentioned that we would have it a year and then we would give our machines back. Please don't take my machine away from me.
The ClearTrak vacuum cleaner is so convenient and such a pleasure to use in terms of the immediate feedback of seeing a remarkably cleaner product when I'm done than when I started, that it has really reduced the level of the chore of vacuuming the house, for instance.
When I was given the opportunity to test the ClearTrak CMS, I was quite surprised. I didn't think I'd ever be on a test panel for such equipment. It's a wonderful piece of equipment. I enjoy using it very much.
There's no way you're taking my ClearTrak CMS back.
Can the ClearTrak carpet maintenance system really be that good? Well, you'll never be really sure, of course, until you've tried it yourself in your own home. But if what you're looking for is exceptional, deep-down cleaning power you can depend on, unequaled user-friendly convenience, multitask versatility in a single unit, and the assurance and economy of a comprehensive carpet maintenance system, you don't have to look any further. ClearTrak, it's the better way to care for your carpets and upholstery. In fact, when you think about the alternatives, it's really the only way.
All set. See you later.
Han?
Yeah.
I think it's time!
No problem. No problem. No problem.